Hi and welcome to this new video. In today's video, we are going to review a tool called Video to Blog. This tool helps you convert your YouTube videos into SEO-optimized blog posts quickly, and today we'll uncover Video to Blog's features, pricing, free tools, a step-by-step guide to using it, and the exclusive lifetime deal currently available on AppSumo. So, what is Video to Blog? Video to Blog is an innovative AI-powered tool that transforms your video content into comprehensive SEO-friendly blog posts. It automates the transcription process and creates well-structured, readable content, saving you hours of manual work. What types of videos you can use with Video to Blog? You can use any video that includes spoken audio. Whether you are repurposing content from tutorials, interviews, vlogs, product reviews, or lectures, the tool makes it easy to turn them into high-quality blog posts. Who can use Video to Blog? Video to Blog is ideal for content creators, marketers, educators, and business owners who want to repurpose their videos for blog content, boost SEO rankings, or simply save time in the content creation process. If you're a YouTuber or someone looking to increase traffic to your site through written content, this tool is designed for you. The key features of Video to Blog are AI-powered transcription and blog generation. The tool converts video transcripts into structured blog posts. Built-in SEO optimization automatically generates meta tags, keyword-rich titles, and headers to boost your blog's visibility on search engines. Auto screenshots and image integration. The tool automatically pulls relevant screenshots from your videos and integrates AI-generated or stock images for enhanced visual appeal. Multi-language support. Create content in almost any language, allowing global reach. Export and publish options. Export blog posts to HTML, PDF, Markdown, or directly to platforms like WordPress. Humanizer. Ensures the content appears human-written and passes AI detection tools. Those are just one of many features. Make sure to check the rest when using the tool. For pricing and plans, the starter plan begins at $9 per month and offers essential features like 10 video to blog conversions and the ability to export and edit blog posts. For users with larger content needs, the Pro plan at $29 per month with 30 blogs and Pro Plus plan at $69 per month with 100 blogs per month. If you need more blogs per month, Video to Blog offers a custom plan with credit-based pricing. They will offer up to 2,500 blog posts per month, including all features from the paid plans, and the ability to request more blog posts per month through support. Lifetime deal from AppSumo. Currently, Video to Blog is available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal starting at $49 for Tier 1. This includes 10 blogs per month, full access to pro features, including auto screenshots, keyword optimization, premium transcriptions, and more. Lifetime access with no recurring fees, making this deal an incredible value for long-term content creators. This deal includes 5 tiers that share the same paid plans, features except for the blogs available per month. Tier 1, $49 for 10 blog per month. Tier 2, $99 for 20 blog per month. Tier 3, $199 for 40 blog per month. Tier 4, $499 for 100 blog per month. Tier 5, $999 for 200 blog per month. The lifetime deal is perfect for anyone who wants long-term access to the platform without worrying about recurring subscription fees. Don't miss this lifetime deal if you're serious about content creation. Video to Blog also offers free tools such as free YouTube video transcript download. Easily download transcripts from any YouTube video. Free AI YouTube video description generator. Automatically create SEO-optimized descriptions for YouTube videos. Free YouTube Shorts generator. Quickly generate short-form videos for platforms like TikTok or Instagram from your longer YouTube content. Free YouTube video ideas generator. Get fresh ideas for your next video by using this AI-powered topic generator. How to use the Video to Blog tool. 1. Sign up and access the dashboard. Head over to the Video to Blog website and create your account. Or you can take advantage of Video to Blog's lifetime deal on AppSumo to save on costs. Once signed up, log in to access your dashboard. Settings. After logging in, Click on the Settings tab where you can configure your preferences such as the language of the blog and connect integrations such as WordPress, Blogger, Medium, Ghost.org. Also, the number of blog posts generated this month will be available there. 3. Choose your video. After making your settings, navigate to the Upload section on your dashboard and click Create a blog. You can upload any video up to 3 hours long, whether it's a tutorial, vlog, product review, or interview. Remember, video to blog works best with videos that have spoken content. 4. Customize your blog post. Choose the length of your blog, short, medium, or long, and tweak settings like keyword optimization and auto-linking. You can also select whether to include AI-generated or stock images, as well as auto screenshots from the video. Once the settings are in place, click Generate Blog. Five. Transcription. The tool will automatically transcribe the audio from your video. This transcription forms the foundation of the blog post and can be edited later. 6. Generate and edit your blog. After a few moments, Video to Blog will produce a draft blog post. You can then use the in-app editor to make any changes, add additional content, or refine the style. 7. Optimize for SEO. In the editing phase, Video to Blog automatically integrates SEO meta descriptions, titles, and tags, making it easier for search engines to index your post. However, for better results, you should ensure the primary keywords appear naturally in the title and first paragraph. Add internal and external links that improve your post's value. Check for keyword density and other on-page SEO elements that could improve rankings. Eight. Publish and share. After finalizing your post, you can publish it directly to your connected websites, WordPress, Blogger, Medium, Ghost.org, or export it in various formats, HTML, PDF, Markdown. Sharing the blog post across social media platforms, email newsletters, and other marketing channels will help drive even more traffic to your website. The tool also generates SEO metadata to ensure that your blog post is optimized for search engines right from the start. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for an efficient way to convert your video content into blog posts and boost your website traffic, Video to Blog is the perfect tool for you. Don't forget to check out the lifetime deal on AppSumo and explore the free tools available to get started.